how we trying to connect ourselves into the new 5G network that's going to be coming over the course of the next several years. And what we've realized is that we want to be able to communicate more directly with that network on a worldwide basis and take advantage of the additional data that we can bring from metering devices, our core business, into and managing our business to be more efficient and to try and reduce waste. That's what we call data-driven, and that was really the whole focus of my presentation. How can we be more data-driven? And we presented the Universal Register as a way to help in that new world transition that we need to make. Today you've got a handheld. It's got all kinds of apps on it, right? But how many of those apps really relate directly to the operations of your business? So if you could write an app easily and without any training that would give you the capability of gathering the data from your business and using that to make decisions in your business, you'd already be ahead of the game. But let's talk about some precise ways to do that. Maybe you saw three various I'll say applications where we were using the data to change the way we operated. In a bobtail environment, to automatically program and bring the right resources to make sure that the customer gets serviced and to take care of any maintenance that needs to occur on that vehicle real time when it's needed. We looked at also a dispensing application where we were using the data to monitor very precisely the condition of the cylinder, the amount that's been loaded into the cylinder, but in turn to recognize any losses in the system. And that's one of the most important things I see in the propane industry. We have tremendous losses and nobody's really working to try and figure out how to get rid of those losses. And it's all about real-time data acquisition. If we can take the data, bring it in through the register, connect it to the handheld, then we have that data available through a cloud service very securely in order to do predictive maintenance, authorization, improve the quality of services that we bring to our customer. Same thing's true in dispensing applications, but then the other application I mentioned in my presentation was all about what we can do in bulk transfer, monitoring both the liquid and vapor transitions, looking more seriously at real-time inventory control and reducing the amount of waste or losses that we have in that process. I'm amazed at how much losses we have in our industry, and having the data and the information that's needed to better maintain our systems, bring them under control when they're trending in the wrong direction, is a big asset to our industry. So we're just trying to take a step towards integrating the information that's already there into our decision matrix and operate a little more efficiently. If we develop something that's only available for the top tier of the industry, it's not really of value. What we want to do is work towards something that can be a solution around the world and even in very remote locations. So the platform works whether it communicates or not in real time. So this device, if it doesn't have a network to connect to, still can collect the information from the register. It will then later load it through the network into my back office system, and I own all of that data, or the user owns all of that data. That's really a big advance for the smaller of our marketers globally, because today they're just not taking advantage of those resources, and this is a much less costly, much more efficient way to get all that data into my back office and making decisions for the business that make sense for the future.